Hey Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Big news from the smartphone world. Huawei has officially made a massive comeback, and it's making waves in its home market of China. If you thought Huawei was done, think again. The brand is now back on top, dominating the Chinese smartphone market in early 2025. According to a fresh report from Counterpoint Research, Huawei has taken the lead as the #1 smartphone brand in China during the first quarter of 2025. That's right, Huawei is leading the pack with a market share of 19%, up from 17% at the end of 2024. Now, a 2% rise might not sound like much at first, but in the ultra-competitive world of smartphones, especially in a massive market like China, this kind of growth in just one quarter is a huge deal. So, how did Huawei pull this off? What's behind this strong return to the spotlight? The answer lies in a mix of clever strategy and some smart timing. Two big elements played a key role: government subsidies and a solid, forward-thinking product strategy. Let's talk about the subsidies first. The Chinese government recently introduced a digital product subsidy program aimed at boosting consumer spending and encouraging the adoption of new tech. Under this initiative, buyers can get a discount of up to 15% on eligible electronics, including smartphones, tablets, and wearables. For instance, a smartphone priced at 6,000 yuan could be reduced by 500 yuan, making premium tech far more accessible for the average buyer. Huawei definitely made the most of this program. Its entire lineup, ranging from its flagship Pura 70 series to the more affordable Enjoy series, was included in the subsidy offerings. This gave Huawei a serious advantage, especially during the busy holiday shopping period. Combine these more affordable prices with Huawei's focus on innovation, especially around AI features, and you've got a recipe for success. The Pura 70 series, in particular, stood out with its powerful camera system, refined design, and built-in AI features that cater to premium users. This combination of style, smart tech, and affordability helped Huawei win over a wide range of customers, from tech enthusiasts to everyday users. But Huawei wasn't the only brand to see growth. Xiaomi also experienced a strong surge in Q1 2025, with year-over-year growth ranging between 18% and 40%. Just like Huawei, Xiaomi's diverse product lineup and competitive pricing, along with the benefit of government subsidies, played a huge role in its success during this period. On the flip side, Apple struggled this quarter. After a strong finish in Q4 2024, Apple's market share in China dropped from 21% to just 15% in Q1 2025. That's a sharp decline, especially considering China is Apple's second-largest market globally. The drop can be largely attributed to growing pressure from local brands like Huawei and Xiaomi, which are offering devices with similar or better specs at more affordable prices. While Apple's iPhone still enjoys a strong reputation, the high price tag is becoming harder to justify for many Chinese consumers. Meanwhile, overall smartphone shipments in China grew by about 5% year-over-year in Q1 2025. It might not sound dramatic, but given the recent global economic uncertainty and ongoing US-China tech tensions, this growth signals a positive recovery. Clearly, the government's subsidy push played a major role in encouraging people to upgrade their devices during key shopping periods like Chinese New Year and the Spring Festival. Looking ahead, the second quarter of 2025 is expected to bring even more excitement. Many smartphone brands are gearing up to release new models in the coming months. While the growth may not be as explosive as Q1, there's definitely momentum in the market right now, and the competition is only heating up. Huawei's return to the top is a strong reminder that with the right mix of innovation, smart pricing, and government backing, even a company facing international sanctions and chip shortages can make a strong comeback. The real question now is, how long can Huawei keep this up? Will the Chinese government continue to offer these helpful subsidies? Can Huawei maintain its pace of innovation, especially in the fields of AI and chip development? And how will Apple and other international players respond to this growing pressure from domestic brands? One thing is certain: the smartphone competition in China is more intense than ever, and Huawei is right at the center of it all. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Huawei's rise is here to stay? Or will the competition catch up in the next quarter? Let's talk about it. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.